My God. Zeus is angry tonight. It's like Zeus v Thor. Lightning Thunder Showdown. A little bit of rain. Just a little bit. Gotta love tornado warnings, huh? Yeah, I should probably get back inside. There you go, the sirens. What did I say earlier? I said, there's a storm a-brewing. Oh, look at it now, baby. Ooh. Wind's picking up. Yeah. You should probably go downstairs. There's my car. Hopefully there's some hail on it again. Mom's car. Dad's car is the lucky one. Yeah. Sirens are screaming, Brandon, get inside! You're a dumbass! But it's just so beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna go now.